just in case. No apples from that one.
No apples from that one.
What about saplings?
Oh, maybe that's bad.
Nope.
Oh.
What was that?
That's why she dropped the glowstone block. Can't get glowstone dust.
Oh.
I broke the glowstone.
Come on, tree. Come on, tree. Ooh, a big one. We're gonna get 7 apples from this tree.
It's a little bit optimistic, but I appreciate your enthusiasm.
Katy Perry told me so. Katy Perry wouldn't lie.
Oh,
Aha! One.
Hey! 6 more. I got a sapling too.
one
2.
more.
Ooh.
Okay, Miss Perry was off by 5, but
Well-
still a good haul.
Miss Perry exaggerates
forgive her.
on occasion. Here's some gold.
Oh, I have both of them.
I still got 10 I need to smelt.
Okay.
Doop. Alright. Next. Oh. Not out yet. Oh. Netflix and chill.
Who was it who didn't know what that meant?
Oh. Probably elf.
That's a good guess.
No apples from that one. Another big one.
Oh yeah, another big one.
Come on, Perry. Spirit of Katy Perry.
Got one.
Where are our hearts at? Nick, why don't you go ahead and eat one of these?
Okay, thank you. Here, I'll trade you.
Preach. All right. Did you have the gold too?
Yeah, there's
I
a
have
bunch of gold
that
over
guy.
here.
I have some gold.
Okay. And there's still 5 more smelting.
Well,
Oh,
this might be our
diamonds.
last tree. No, it's not. I got 20 bone meal left.
Oh, I should have given you my bones.
Come on, big fella, or not.
I think there's a trick to force a big tree, isn't there?
You can,
Yeah.
but there's a limited space on the sides. I don't know. You waste more bone meal than you do
Yeah,
on the
you do.
smaller ones.
Gotcha. Alright, got one.
Alright. Got another apple. Golden apple, rather. Oops. Alright. 12
Alright, how many do we have
bone
now?
meal left. I've got... Well, let me make this one. I've got 4 golden apples and we have 12 ingots left. No, we have 14 ingots left.
I'm kind of getting some more.
We're also down to 9 bone meal. 8 bone meal. Please don't punch me.
I have 14 ore and 4 ingots
Okay.
and 3 bones.
Yeah. 1, 2. Oh. That
There's
one
a
grew
bones
into.
behind you.
Okay.
Don't punch me.
Apple.
Another apple.
Yes. I now have 5.
I have 7 diamonds, by the way.
Oh.
Is Snake AFK?
Sorry.
Just hanging out.
Sorry. I've got a
Didn't you have a diamond?
Oh, I do have. I have 1 diamond. You need it?
Yeah.
Here.
Who wants a diamond chest plate?
I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and make one.
Well, I made it.
Okay.
Who wants it?
Here. Here's the enchanting table. Do we have any more lapis?
I have 21.
Yeah, we found some.
Hi Meg, we're still doing very
Hello.
well.
Yeah.
Here you go.
What? You don't believe me?
No. I'm watching the game, so I'm seeing guys going.
You've seen the guys with potions.
We're doing just fine. I no longer have the lowest health in the game.
I can see that.
For the first time in the game, I don't have the lowest health.
Who's
You were down.
got
You were down to
more?
2 hearts, right?
I was down to a half heart briefly.
Oh my god.
Okay, do we want protection 2, protection 1?
Come on, one more tree. One more tree. Alright. Is that all the gold we got? That's what's in the
Yeah,
furnace?
I don't have any. Yeah.
Okay.
I have 4 ingots on me.
Okay. Then we have exactly enough for... Wait. 2 more.
Do we have the anvil still?
Yes. It's very damaged, so...
How many
I'll try to
apples
do
do we
one
have?
more.
How many golden apples do we have?
I got 6.
Damn.
Do any of you have protection 1 chest plate?
I do.
I do.
On my iron chest plate.
One of you could get protection 2.
You can go and take a BK.
Blang blang. Check me out. I'm out of... No, I've got 5 bone meal left. Whew. Cross your fingers and plug your butts.
Nick, you can get protection 2 as well.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Just
Oh,
combine
thank
it
you.
with that.
you didn't plug your butts.
Oh,
Oh,
my
no.
butt was not plugged hard enough.
Katy Perry was not with us.
Katy Perry, no.
She failed us yet again.
All right. All right. Well, 6 golden apples is definitely good. We can probably start heading up to the top again.
Let's check what time it is.
Mm.
I need more gold. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is middle of the day.
All right. Let's
Past
head up.
midday. On the way to night.
See if we can finally find some chickens before having to head underground again.
On the road again.
Do we have the golden apples?
I have them. I should probably divvy them up.
Oh yeah, probably a good idea. Thank you.
Anybody already have one? Before
Nope.
that?
No?
Okay. Then we each have 2.
I will eat 1.
Yeah.
Oh, what was up?
Somewhere.
How did we get out? How did we get here?
Oh yeah, I kind of know. I think.
I recognize this place.
No, I don't.
I think
Yeah,
we
I
came.
do.
Oh, it's up here. It's up there. It's all the way up there.
How did we get down?
I don't
You
remember.
jumped into something.
No,
Jumped into that.
I don't. That doesn't seem like something I would do.
Maybe
That sounds
maybe it wasn't
dangerous.
you. It was someone.
I ain't crazy.
And it was Nick.
Probably sounds like something I'd do. Alright, nothing here.
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure it was this way.
I don't trust you.
Okay, well, alright,
don't.
fair enough.
It's
I seem
raining
to remember
again.
I seem to remember seeing water and being like, man, I should jump down there.
Yeah.
because I made the staircase. Oh, I found it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I guess I'll come back then.
Oh, okay.
Maybe
it was
I
here where
didn't.
the staircase was.
Find my way to.
Maybe I did. I have found this.
Yeah.
I remember we were here before.
Yep. I do remember that.
Where
Oh, I
am
think this
now?
is actually the. Oh, it's here. It's here.
Oh yeah, it's here.
I'm hearing a lot of it's here, it's here.
We have
Okay.
found
Well, you
it.
see where our
We
name
have-
tags
Multiple
are.
times.
That's where it is.
Okay.
it's
we
here.
have found it. It's up that way.
Okay. Zombie. It is
Here's
raining up
zombies.
top, so there might be mobs on the surface.
I have blocked the entrance.
And it might almost be nighttime anyways.
That's not the way. The torches.
The torches.
Oh.
There's gravel behind that.
And then what?
And then, well, nothing. Oh,
Alright, I don't see any mobs.
I heard mobs.
Let's see
I
if we
think
can
we
find
should
some
go to
chickens.
the mountains.
The mountains this way?
This way.
Okay. Look for some mountain chickens.
I think there's isn't a chicken in the mountains.
Maybe. Oh, oh, well, that was a bad jump.
I see a pillar over there that looks man-made.
Yeah, I see that too.
It's not. That's smooth stone. Piggy!
Because you can't obtain smooth stone.
Do it.
Well, it'd
Can't
be
get
very
some
strange if
stone,
somebody
or-
took the time in an ultra hardcore to smelt cobblestone just to build a pillar just to look more natural.
I've done it before to seal a pathway.
Well, yeah.
But yeah, just to build a pillar might be a waste of resources.
I don't think mountain chickens is a thing we will
No?
have in our
What about
lives.
snow chickens?
Chickens lives in snow. That's
That's a thing.
yeah, they do.
See that on the TV,
Discovery
I see it
Channel.
on the Chicken Channel all the time.
the chicken channel. Right.
We don't have that in Denmark.
Oh, you're missing out.
Yeah.
All chickens
It's
Yeah.
a
all the
premium
time.
cable channel. You got to pay an extra $20 a month for it.
But boy, is it worth
Oh
it.
man, is it worth it?
Yeah, I'm thinking about moving to America just for the chicken channel. I need that in my life now.
Everyone does. Oh, it's nighttime again.
Yeah,
Oh boy.
no
Fun.
one needs that in their life.
Back underground.
This is ridiculous.
Ugh. I need food. I don't have any cooked food.
I
I
got
have
some
some.
here. Steak.
Oh,
Thank you.
Watch for creepers and skeletons.
and
Did we
zombies.
lose Sin? Oh no, he's
No,
out.
no.
There's a spider up here. And a creeper.
And then no chickens.
Oh, something happened here.
Huh,
Maybe.
interesting.
Maybe this is the place where someone died.
Oh, it could be. It could be where he died earlier.
Just keep your eyes peeled.
Oh, there's 3
Yeah.
skeletons down there.
Yeah.
Let's not go that way then.
Creeper up here.
Yeah. I got the creeper. Creeper's down.
So is the zombie.
There's 2 witches and 4 creepers right beside each other down
I don't think we should go that way.
there. No?
Skeleton over here.
Oh, baby zombie riding
on a creeper. On a
Chicken.
Chicken! We got a feather!
That's the word. I got 1 feather.
Yes!
Rejoice.
Oh, it's still on the ground there. Oh, I got it. Alright, I'm gonna make the, what is it, 4 arrows it gives us? Oh, I got 2 feathers. Somebody make sure nothing eats my face, please.
I'm gonna try. But can't guarantee.
No promises. Shoot, where's my flint? There it is. 8 arrows.
Sweet.
Go team.
I have 1.
Here. There's 4 for you, and 4 for you.
Awesome.
Can't be beat.
All right. Making progress.
Just
Things
need
are
to
looking
find,
good.
Like,
Oh,
20
Keiko
more
has 2.5
chickens.
hearts.
yes. That would make my life so much easier if he
Awesome.
just takes himself out. Ooh, what's that? Oh, there's
We
another
got
plains
big
down
plains
there.
here. Oh, creepers.
Creepers, you say?
If you can get a good angle, you can knock them off the edge, I guess.
Back
Oh,
away,
there's one
not
behind
today.
us. There's one.
Oh, I got the 2 in
flanking us.
front. They're dead.
Okay, yeah. There's the
Watch
one
that
there.
zombie too. Skeletons at the bottom. Oh, player in the plains.
Player in the plains? Hold on.
Player in the plains.
Who is it?
I don't know.
Player in the plains.
It's that white dot bouncing across the grass down
Yeah.
there.
Okay, I see them there. Do we want to investigate?
Let's go up
Oh.
on top of this mountain over here.
Okay. We'll just watch them for a little bit.
Yeah. I only saw the one.
Yeah, I saw 1.
Yeah, but he ran into a cave where his friend probably is. Or friends.
Yeah, there's no single. Yeah.
Yeah. Creeper.
I see.
Okay.
Get lost.
There's light up
Is
there. I don't know
is
if
it
it's
that cave
lava
with the light
or-
coming out of it?
It could be. No, I see. There's 2 players coming across the plains right now. One
Yeah.
right behind the other.
Oh.
I don't see a third
Oh, they're
yet.
probably going for that same cave. Alright, back off a little
Looks
bit.
like. I can't tell if it's diamond gear or iron gear.
It's iron.
Yeah, I don't think it's diamond.
Well,
Maybe a
from,
diamond chest plate, but
But
from
those aren't
far
the
away,
same.
enchanted.
Neither
iron
of those are the one that ran into that hole earlier. So we're near 3 other people. So probably
at least 4.
green team.
Hmm.
Oh, Bonus was taking damage. So it's not him, because
Hmm.
Yeah.
oh, Bonus is back up. Wait,
There's,
it was down to 2.
I only see one of them now.
Wasn't it?
I only see one of them now.
I'm not sure. I wasn't looking. They can't
where are
be
you?
blind enough
Oh,
not
there
to
you are.
have seen us, right?
Keiko is up again. By the way.
Dang it.
As long as we don't move much.
Stupid sheep. They don't seem to have stopped.
I
to
think it's
look.
just a team of 2. I think it's just a team of 2.
That's Yeah, it's gotta be. I guess it doesn't have to be, but that would make the most sense. Trying real hard to resist using Optifine.
I don't know where you guys are. Are you guys up near this lava?
I'm
on
up
top
at the
of mountain?
very tip of the... Up here.
I'm behind you.
Okay, I see you, Sin. Okay, oh, and I see BK now. Let's stick together in case they saw us and they're coming for us. Do
We
you see
can
them, BK?
see them. They're not...
Okay.
They're
I lost sight of them. I didn't...
running off that
Oh,
way.
they're there. Okay.
I feel like they had to have seen us though.
I guess. They're just running around. I guess they're looking for people. I guess they're hunting.
Could be. Is there a good way down from here? We can probably hit that river from the end here.
What? What just happened? I got kicked.
Yes, you did. That's what happened.
Established connection was aborted by the software on your host machine.
Don't do that.
Alright, let's see if I can
Come on.
rejoin. Okay.
Insert the... There's one.
Okay, I'm good.
Where's one?
Straight ahead.
Yeah, I think we can make it into the lake.
I don't see them anymore.
I lost sight of them too.
Looks like it's
Yeah, they are
plains on
out
the
of-
other side of that mountain too.
Out of our rendering distance.
The sun needs to come up.
I don't think there's any chickens left down there.
On the map.
Well, they kind of roam the entire plains.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to take a risk hitting that lake.
Well,
And we could build out over it.
look, right below us here,
Oh, yeah.
the water
Okay, is it a
goes
straight
down
drop?
the slope.
Okay. Okay.
So if you just walk off, you can't miss.
Yeah. I'll let you guys
Theoretically.
go first.
I'm gonna let the sun come up and make sure everything is burned or turned neutral out there. Somewhere hill.
What?
Alright. So do we just want to head that direction that they went? Or go towards the middle?
We need feathers. Oh, skeletons.
Yeah, I'd really prefer to have feathers before we fight, but I don't know if that's going to happen.
Well, Keiko's down again.
Maybe they've got like a billion health potions and he's just
I see a name tag behind us.
behind
Where?
us.
Yeah,
Where?
through the mountains.
Oh, man. That might be where those two went. They might be coming to fight us. Oh, I see him. I see him.
Are they on our
They
mountain
have
or the other
enchanted.
one?
Yeah. They're on the mountain right over there to that direction. They
Ah,
have enchanted iron gear.
sneaky buggers.
Do you want to fight?
That's what we're here for, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. I guess it's time.
It's just
Wow.
time.
Just keep an eye on them. You guys see them? Where'd
Nope.
they go?